sa'kin ito yung pinakamasayang araw talaga. Mga kasama ko, walang kaproblema-problema. Kaya ito nga yung gagawin ko. Humanda ka na dahil first of all, first video ko nga itong mag-workout. Hayaan nyo na si Inday, mag-workout muna paminsan-minsan. At dahil first time ni Inday, tulungan nyo naman ako, uy, kung paano suotin ni Inday. Ito, parang tanga talaga yung outfit ko ngayon. Sabi nila, kapag ito yung sinusuot mo, mawawala daw yung bilbil mo. Kaya susubukan natin to. Parang excited na talaga si Inday mag-workout.
We can pack our bags and we just go, go, go. He said let's go catch a flight. We bout to stay up all night. Red eye goodbye, hold my hand tight. He take me straight to the sky. Baby take me out to Tokyo. Let me catch a flight to San Diego, Paris, Madrid, or Tobago. Anywhere you wanna be, where we gonna go? Take me on a ride. Tell my girls bye bye. Just touch down, show me around, then kiss me goodnight. We can pack our bags and we just go, go, go. I'm ready to party on the floor, floor, floor. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Put me on the plane, I wanna get raptured. Click, click, these photos get captured. Flames in the sky, never stamp on my passport. Airplane mode, cause I get what I asked for. It's really good to see you. Hotel 5-star, cause we need to. Mountains, ocean, in the rear view. Suntan lotion, water so clear blue.